Hi, my name is Elena Ispas, and this is my project, the DND SpellFinder. This is a React app I built to help Dungeons and Dragons players find spells in an easier way. Users can search for spells, filter them, see full details, and even save their favorite spells to a favorite page. In Dungeons and Dragons, there are many spells, and finding the right one can take time. My website makes it easier by letting users search for spells by name, filter spells by level, class, school, and casting time, see full spell details including component effects and durations, save spells to a favorite list, and view them later in favorites page. For the tech, I used React for the front end, DND 5e API to get spell data, React Router for navigation, custom CSS for styling, which was very challenging but very fun. Right now, I will give you a demo walkthrough and let's see how the website works. So this is the home page. It has a search bar with filters. It has a table grid and a pagination. If I type, for example, fireball, as you can see, the spell appears instantly. Then I can reset all filters. Then I can filter spells by class. So let's say Druid by level, first level, by school. That doesn't have a okay, so let's see, let's try again. Druid, level, first level. And casting time, 1 action. All right. Then if you click on the expand column, you can view the details of the spell. And if you click on the heart icon, you can favor the spells that you like. And here on the favorite page, you can view them. Another thing about my app is that it's fully responsive, so it works on different screen sizes. And some of the challenges I had building this website. So first of all, I did the design myself. So I designed everything in Figma first. Then I used custom CSS instead of framework like Tailwind or Bootstrap. So it took extra time to style everything. And for that, I used CSS Grid and Flexbox to organize the content and keep it responsive. Another challenge I had is to make sure the website loads fast and doesn't call the API too many times. So what I did was I stored spells in React state so they don't reload every time. And in the future, I will improve the error handling to show clear messages if the API fails. I like to add a user login so players can save their favorite spells across devices. Right now, I will give you a quick look at my code. So we'll start with filters.js. So as you see, I have a component right here. So this file handles filtering by class, level, school, and casting time. It also updates the state when users select an option and the filter results are displayed in real time. For the spells table.js, this file takes the spell data and displays it in a clean, structured way. I also dynamically load spells from the API. In the favorite page, one cool feature is that the ability to save the favorite spells. When a user clicks on the heart icon, the spells is stored and they can see all their favorites here. In the app.js, I use React Router to link all the pages. This allows users to smoothly navigate between the homepage, spell details, and just save their favorite spells. The API.js, this is where I fetch spells data from the DND API. The data is stored in the state, so the app doesn't need to keep making API requests. And right here, I have the CSS files for each component. I style everything manually using CSS instead of Bootstrap or Tailwind. And this took more time, but also it gave me full control over the design. So yeah, that's all I have. I want to thank you for watching my presentation, and I really appreciate your time, and I look forward to building more exciting projects in the future.